Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find your YouTube Shorts on your PC. YouTube Shorts are a fantastic way to create and share short-form videos that capture your audience's attention. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open YouTube Studio on your PC. This is your go-to platform for managing your YouTube channel and its content. Step 2. Next, click on the Content tab. This will take you to a page where you can view all the videos on your channel. Step 3. At the top of the page, you'll see a tab called Shorts. Click on it to access your YouTube Shorts. And there you have it. You've successfully found your YouTube Shorts on your PC. Now, you can easily manage and analyze your short-form videos to optimize their performance. Remember, YouTube Shorts are a powerful tool for engaging your audience and growing your channel. So, don't miss out on this opportunity to create captivating short videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on YouTube. We're here to guide you towards success.